What up? Welcome back to OG Eats. Got this big chicken browning up a little bit. This was under $3. Can you believe that shit? Yeah, found this at the Asian grocery store. Been in the freezer since like last week or two, and decided to break it out today. And this is what we're gonna pair it up with: some Freak Flag Organics coconut chicken bone broth. Never heard of this shit. Saw it in the store. Thought I'd try it out. Gonna chop up some veggies and shit too. Got some rice on the side. Yeah. Stay tuned. It's gonna be awesome. So they just broke apart. They're frozen together. Got two of them. Man, $3 for both of these, man. Fucking killer fucking deals, yo. Yeah. Man, this stuff, put some on the chicken. There we go. Did both sides. Yeah, we're getting there. Man, chopped up a bunch of these. And a bunch of these. Yeah. And then I'm going to drop some of this in the bottom of the pan. Some garlic, whatever. Yeah. And the rest of this little piece of ginger right here. There we go. There's that roasted garlic chili base in there on top of the ginger. Yeah, let it heat up a little bit. And then we're going to toss the chicken back in and the veggies and some of that coconut chicken broth. Yeah, it's coming together. Stay tuned, motherfuckers. And I had a little bit of mushroom left over and some jalapenos. And here's this all pre-roasted. Gonna mix it all up now. Yeah. And there it is. All mixed together. Let it roast up a little more. And then we'll get fucking started like a motherfucker putting this shit all together. Yeah, watch. Chicken back in. Here we go. Looking all fucking awesome. Here we go. And there it is. Toss the lid on it. Let it simmer for 20 minutes. To make sure that chicken's all cooked through. I'm going to flip the chicken as well. Probably try to chop it up a little bit, so all the insides get cooked and all that good stuff. There it is. And there we go. Debone that chicken a little bit. Cook the rest of it off. Give that to the dogs later. You know what I mean? We're getting there. Gonna let it simmer. And for another 10, 15, whatever. Just to make sure everything's cooked because it was still red on the inside. And then we'll serve it up. Yeah, motherfucker. And that's what we're dealing with now. Looking all groovy, like a motherfucking hippie from the 60s. Yeah. And of course we got cilantro rice. I put some lime in there too. So cilantro lime rice. Yeah, like a motherfucking pro. Okay, here we go. We're getting there. It's coming together. Watch. So bomb, you guys. That tender fucking little piece of chicken. Damn. So good. So when I went in on this, I was thinking coconut curry, because that's what that little box was. Coconut beef broth. It's not quite the same, but I mean, super fucking good. There's no cream taste or nothing, like with the coconut cream instead, but this bone broth is really good. Look at this chicken. Mmm. So good. So hot. Yeah. Dude, I nailed it again. Just, random shit, random meal. Trying to use some I found at the grocery outlet. So I think that was like $1.99 for that little 15-ounce carton of the coconut bone broth. It said, I think it said coconut chicken bone broth. Yeah. So and the 2 leg quarters was under $3 from the Asian store. Man, deals, man. You don't always need the fucking breast or the thighs and shit. Like, just get the leg quarters, get the legs or the leg quarters. Like, they're cheap. Like, you can get 15 legs for like under $4 or something like that, you know? I see it all the time. I'm going to my mom's friend since from when she was a child on Wednesday, and I grew up with the kids back when I was younger. It was like the '80s and shit. Cause my mom would drop me off there all the time, and they'd go hang out, her and her friend, or she'd leave me there for the weekend or something, you know. That kind of friend. And I'm going Wednesday, going to hook them up. I'm gonna make some butter chicken. I'm not sure how often they have that down there, but around here there's at least 7 friggin' Indian stores like right down the street from here. And down there where they're at, it's like 40, 50 miles away. I don't think they have that, you know? But and one of the girls, she lives like another 40-minute drive south of there. So I'm sure they have even less restaurant options down there, you know? And I doubt any Indians are living down there, not many of them, you know? Because Indians are here for the jobs at Microsoft and shit, and that's basically where I'm at. I'm like a mile or 2 away from there. So, anyway, last time I was down there, because they have like a family thing like every Wednesday, or they did every Wednesday, but when they do, it's a Wednesday. She was talking about that, or I brought it up or whatever, and she's like suggesting I should make it, so hooking that up on Wednesday, 3 days from now. And it's good to get out of here, go see them, hang out a little bit in the country. It's not really country like it used to be. It's cracking in that town, but it is like the state fair is there every September. I don't know if it's a state fair, but it is a fair that's been going on since 1901, and it's in that town. The town's called Puyallup, Washington. Puyallup Fair, they changed it to like Washington State Fair or something now, so. But yeah, every September for like 3 weeks, this awesome fair goes on there. So that's what I'm doing Wednesday. Got a bone. That'll happen. Just gotta watch for that shit. So fucking good, you guys. Man. The dogs are tripping. You want some? Let's get a little one. Yeah, she's loving it. Get the big girl some a little later. Get some more cilantro in there. Cilantro is so good for you guys. Yeah. Anyway, that's how you do it. Please smash that like and subscribe button. All that cringy YouTube crap, share it with the world. Leave a comment, you know, and check out one of these next playlists that pops up on the screen. Oh, man, that means it's good. That means it's freaking good. Anyway, I'm out. Peace. See you next time. Peace.